Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. We're in Portland and we're gonna go try Portland's best Texas style barbecue. So come along and let's try this out.
Regulators, mount up. Thank you very much.
Order session, Zach.
We've got a little food court here with quite a few different trailers. Matt's is over there. We're waiting for our order. Okay, so we got some brisket, got some sausage, and we got their pork ribs. We got a bunch of different sauces here to try. And yeah, let's dig in to Matt's Barbecue here in Portland, Oregon. Let's start with some of this brisket. Beautiful crust on it. Obviously coming from the point. These might be from the flat. Let's just try it. It is good. Tastes a lot like roast beef, roasted. A little bit of smoke flavor to it. Okay. That was pretty good. Chipotle, not much. Actually, I'm not sure what that was. I think this might be the cherry chipotle. Let's just try that. So this is a cherry chipotle sauce. Oh yeah. There's the heat. Good flavor though. It's real good. Quite a bit of ribs here too. I wasn't expecting that many ribs. But see, it's already fallen off the bone. Definitely a smoke flavor. Their sauce is a sweet, very sweet, but very good. Yeah, those don't suck. Those are real good. Sorry, very sticky. Let's try some of their sausage. This is just a regular sausage. It's not a jalapeno cheddar sausage. Let's first try it. Nice little bite through of the skin. Boy, those are good. I love sausage. Yeah. That's good too. This is, I think this is their house barbecue sauce here. They gave you 2 of them, but I'll try it again. Not bad. This is a hog vinegar sauce. Let's try it on the sausage. Definitely vinegary. Yeah, those are all good. Everything is good. I can see why they say this is Portland's best barbecue, because it's got great flavor. The brisket, I mean, it's got a beautiful crust on it, and it, you know, it folds right apart. Delicious looking. Not a whole lot of flavor to it though. It just tastes like roast, but it's good. So, yeah. I mean, you can see I didn't get any sides. Came with pickled onions and I think these are pickles.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Everything is delicious. I can see why they say this is Portland's best barbecue. This is a cool little park they got it set up in. Not all the places are open, which is kind of weird, but it's a Tuesday. So, if you come to Portland, I highly recommend you come down here and try this. These ribs are, oh my, I mean, just look at those ribs. Those are beautiful. And their sauce, I mean, that barbecue sauce is amazing. Yeah. A great smoke flavor on it too. You don't get that on the brisket, but you can get smoke on it. It is delicious. What do you think of it, kid? You should try it. Let me get on the piece.
Thumbs up.
You want to try it again? You want to try it again? Yeah, he likes the ribs.
Yeah, he does.
Okay, let's talk about Matt's Barbecue for a moment. So Matt's Barbecue, as you saw there, they are part of a little food truck community. It's about half a city block. They've got a few other food trailers in there, teriyaki burgers, some other unique ones. There's an All About Eggs truck there. There's 2 beer gardens also there, which is pretty cool. And then of course you got Matt's. They are pretty popular. The community there that they're in off of Mississippi Street is the one we went to. They have a couple, from what I understand, they have a couple of locations. We were there Tuesday about 12:30. The other locations weren't open, but very trendy, young neighborhood. You know, pretty unique area. When we were waiting, they have picnic tables that you can sit under. It's all covered. It's real nice. It's a real nice little food court, if you want to call it that. However, the gentleman next to our table that we were at had like a, I don't know, I would say a quart-sized bag full of, I'm not a marijuana user, but a quart-sized bag of marijuana that he was breaking down and separating. Of course, I would say it's legal in Portland. I'm not sure, but that was interesting. You can definitely smell it, but you know, it's the neighborhood. Some homeless people, things like that. Really, I would say if you were going there, now keep in mind this is in an old part of Portland. couple blocks, I guess you would say a couple blocks over, is a lot of old houses. The streets are very narrow. If you're in a car or an SUV or a pickup, you can get in there. I would say no way try it with an RV. Just streets are too narrow, and parking is a premium. We got very lucky. I was towing my little cargo trailer, and we found a spot. My little, what is it, 4x8 cargo trailer. We found a spot that I could just pull right over on, about a block and a half away, and then we walked up to it. But you have to circle back around on these really narrow streets to get back on the freeway, and I wouldn't try it with a travel trailer or an RV, just because it's so narrow, and parking is going to be a pain in the butt. But overall, I would say it was pretty good barbecue. Brisket, nothing to write home about. You got a little bit of smoke flavor and good bark on it. Perfectly cooked, but it just tasted like beef. I mean, and which is great. I mean, that's a good sign. Sausage was excellent. I love the sausage. The ribs, the first time you bite in the ribs, you go, oh, that's really good sauce, because it's so sweet. But after a while, that's what all you get is sweet sauce, and sticky sweet, which is fine, but it wasn't, they were a little overcooked in my opinion, but that's what happens. But it was good barbecue. I did talk to, I believe it was Matt himself. They were pretty busy. A lot of, like I said, a lot of people walking up because they've heard of it. And but he has a commissary where he has his big offset smoker that he does all his smoking of the meats for the day. And this was just a little, concession trailer, pretty much what everybody does. You're not really smoking right there. You've got it prepped and ready to go, and you're just serving it. And they were fairly quick. So no complaints there. It was good. It was a good experience, good barbecue. A little difficult to get to and maneuver around, and parking is a premium. We did have a homeless guy coming up and asking us for any spare change and stuff, but hey, that's the culture we live in now, so you have to deal with that. But I definitely would recommend going and trying Matt's barbecue, and we really liked the layout of how they had all the other food trucks there. Not all of them were open, but it was a Tuesday, so it's more of a weekend kind of thing for them. So, but overall, good experience. Glad we went. Good barbecue, and a lot of fun. So I recommend it. And if you're ever in Portland, might take some time and go see Matt's Barbecue. So anyway, thank you for watching. Until next time, my friends. Barbecue on.
Sign off, Kip. Sign off.
What do you think of it? You haven't given me any yet.